Reasons behind your car unable to turn over. When the starter motor is unable to crank, then the car does not turn over. As a result, when you are turning the key in the ignition, nothing will happen. Many times, the engine of the car is turning over, but still it doesn't start. If the starter isn't able to crank the engine, then you can't start the engine. Here are the reasons behind your car unable to turn over while starting. Corroded battery. When the corrosion forms on the battery ports, the battery is corroded. Disconnect the starter cable from the battery and use a wire brush to clean it. Cracked starter connection. Connections from the starter motor in your car needs to be secure. If the starter cable is corroded, you need to clean it with a wire brush. Dead battery. Starter motor of the get electricity from the battery to turn over the car. Due to the dead battery, the starter motor can't function and the engine won't turn over. Failed ignition switch. In failed ignition switch, noting happen when you turn the key in the ignition to start. If the switch is completely damaged, then the dashboard lights won't come on. Damaged starter motor. Functional starter motor is needed for the engine to turn over properly. When it is damaged, it will harder for you to start the engine and cause noises. If you notice any of these signs in your car, then consult a mechanic to fix it. A reputed mechanic will first diagnose the issues and take the necessary precautions to fix it. Visit us.